Welcome back student in your math class. Today we are going to learn about linear equation in one variable. So equation is coming in your mind. What is the meaning of equation? An equation is a statement of equality. An equation is a statement of equality of two algebraic expressions. Let's see. An equation is a statement of equality of two algebraic expressions involving one or more unknown quantities. Unknown quantities means variable. Okay, unknown quantity means variable. Okay, now an equation involving only linear polynomial is called a linear equation. An equation involving only linear polynomial is called a linear polynomial is called a linear equation. So let's see, x minus 5 is equal to 7 plus 2x. So here x minus 5 is an algebraic expression, yes, and 7 plus 2x is also an algebraic expression, and here a equality sign means left hand side is equal to right hand side. So this is a equation. But why it is called a linear equation? Because in algebraic expression x minus 5 its degree is 1, and in right hand side algebraic expression 7 plus 2x its degree is also 1. But if we have to written like x square minus 5 is equal to 7 plus 2x square, is this linear equation? Is it a equation? Na? Yes, it is equation because a equality sign is there, that is denote left hand side is equal to right hand side. But is it linear equation? Yes or no? If no, then why? If no, then why it is not a linear equation? Because its degree is 2. In this equation we find a power of variables is 2. So that is not a linear equation. So what is this? If it is not a linear equation, then what is this? This is also equation. What is this? This is a quadratic equation. This is a quadratic equation. Okay. There are 3 more examples. 3 into y minus 5 is equal to 6. This is a equation, and it is a linear equation because degree of power of variable is 1. Its degree is 1. That is why m minus 4 is equal to 2m plus 5, 2m plus 3, and z plus 6 is equal to 2z minus 8. These all are examples of linear equation. Okay. Solution of the equation. Solution of the equation. How will find the solution of the equation? First we know that what is the solution of the equation. As we know that in the equation value of the expressions on the left hand side and right hand sides are equal. This is true only for a certain value of the variable. So these values are the solution of the equation. Since the example, suppose that 3x plus 5 is equal to 2x plus 2x. Okay. So here 3x plus 5 is equal to 2x. It means the left hand side 3x plus 5 is equal to right hand side, that is 2x. So this is satisfied only for a certain value of x. So what is that value? What is that value? So let's find that value, on which value this is satisfied. Put the value x is equal to minus 5. X is equal to minus 5 plus 5 is equal to 5 into minus 5. Now 3 5s are 15. Yes, minus 15. Minus 15 plus 5 is equal to minus 10. So minus 15 plus 5, that is minus 10 is equal to minus 10. Okay. Now we are saying this is, in this equation, left hand side and right hand side are equal only for minus 5. Only for the value of x, that is minus 5. If we put any other value, suppose that 5, 1, 2, 3, if we replace x by any other value except 5, so this will be not equal. It means minus 5 is the solution of 3x plus 5 is equal to 2x. Understood? So minus 5 is the solution. Okay? Yes? There are some rules to find the value of equation. Okay? First, we can add the same number on the both sides of equation. Suppose that we have equation 2y plus 5 is equal to 1. Yes? So we can add the same number on the both sides of this equation. Suppose that we have to add 5. So 5 plus 5, this is equal. Okay. Like that, we can subtract the same number from the both side of the equation. Yes. 2y plus 5 is equal to 1. This is the equation. Okay. So we can subtract the same number from both sides of that equation. Suppose we have to subtract -2 from left hand side and right hand side also -2. So this is equal. Like that, we can multiply both sides of the equation by the same non-zero number. It would be not a 0. It would be non-zero number. We can multiply both sides of the equation by the same non-zero number. Like 2y plus 5 is equal to 1 is given there. We have to multiply it by 3. So here also 3. That is equal. Like that, we can divide the both sides of equation by the same non-zero number. Same equation we have to take. 2y plus 5 is equal to 1 divided by 5, and it is also 5. So this is equal, because when we can cancel it, 5 and 5 cancel, so we get 2y plus 5 is equal to 1. That is equal. Okay. If ax plus b upon cx plus d is equal to p upon q, then we can write q into ax plus b is equal to p into cx plus d. How? Q multiplied, and what is this called? This is called cross multiplication. So q is multiplied with ax plus b and p multiplied with cx plus d. So we get this. Okay. So this process is called cross multiplication. Next and last rule to find the value of equation is transposing. That is called transposition also. And any term of an equation may be taken to the other side with the change of its sign. How? This process is called transposition. Yes, we can take any term of the equation from one side to other side with the change of its sign. Suppose plus became minus, minus became plus, multiplication became division, and divide became multiplication. How? Let's see the example. 5x plus 7. 5x plus 7 is equal to 2x plus 1. Yes, 5x plus 7 is equal to 2x plus 1. This is the equation. We have to solve it and find the value of x by transposing law or by the transposition. This process is called transposition. So let's transpose the variables in one side and constant in one side. 5x is variable, 2x is also variable. Yes, so we transpose 2x from right to left. So from right hand side, this is positive or negative? Yes, this is positive now. If this is positive and we transpose it, so with the change of its sign, like that, minus become plus, and plus convert into minus, and multiplication division, and division is to multiplication. This is the process. So 2x is positive, what it became? Minus. So 5x minus 2x. When we transpose it, so it is minus 2x. And we transpose 7 from left to right. From right hand side, 1 is the positive, so we have written positive 1. And when we transpose 7 from left to right, 7 is there. Positive or negative? Positive now. So it became negative. Yes. So 5x minus 2x is equal to 3x. 1 minus 7, that is minus 6. Yes. 3x is equal to minus 6. But we have to find the value of x. We have to find the value of x. Yes. So how we find the value of x? Here 3 multiplied with x. When we transpose 3 from left to right, so here 3 is multiplied, so it will be divided. Yes. So we get x is equal to minus 6 divided by 3. Yes. Or you can write like that. X is equal to minus 6 upon 3. When 3 divides minus 6, it gives 2. So minus 2. So minus 2 is the solution for 5x plus 7 is equal to 2x plus 1, and this process is the transposition. This process is called the transposition. Okay. Now we have two questions there, and we have to solve it by using transposition law. Yes. First question is given: solve 8x is equal to 20 plus 3x. This is the equation. We have to find the value of this variable. Yes, we have to find the solution of the given equation. So 8x is equal to 20 plus 3x. So 8x is variable and 3x is also variable. We have to write together variables in one side and constant in one side. means we have to transpose 3x from right to left. When we transpose 3x from right to left, so what it became? 3x is positive there. Yes, this is positive now. When we will transpose it, so it became negative. So 8x minus 3x, we get 8x minus 3x. Okay. Now is equal to 20. 8x minus 3x is equal to 5. Yes. 8x minus 3x. 8 minus 3 is 5. Yes. So 5x is equal to 20. Now 5 is multiplied with x. 5 is multiplied with x. When we will transpose 5 from left to right, here it is multiplied, so it will be divided. Yes. So 20 divided by 5, we get x is equal to 20 divided by 5. When 5 divides 20, it gives 4. So 4 is the solution of the given equation 8x is equal to 20 plus 3x. You can check it. Check. What we get? 4. So put the value of 4, put the 4 in both sides. 8x is equal to 20 plus 3x, that is given. Okay. Replace x by 4. Replace x by 4. So 8 multiplied by 4, replace x by 4 because we get here 4 as a solution is equal to 20 plus 3 into 4. Yes. So 8 4 ja 32 na. Yes. So 20 plus 3 4 ja 12. So we get 32 is equal to 32 means LH is equal to LRHS. If both hand side we get LHS is equal to RHS, it means x is equal to 4 is the correct solution. X is equal to 4 is the correct solution for 8x plus 20 is equal to 3x. Understood? Like that. Second question is given there. Second question, 2 upon 5x plus 1 is equal to 7 upon 3. Here 2 upon 5x is a variable, 1 and 7 upon 3 is the constant. It means we have to write together constant in one side and variable in one side. It means we have to transpose 1 from left to right. When we transpose 1 from left to right, so we get 2 upon 5x is equal to right hand side 7 upon 3 is already given. When we transpose it, so 1 became negative. So 7 upon 3 is equal to minus 1. So we may write minus 1 as 1 upon 1. Now we will take the LCM of 3 and 1. So LCM of 3 and 1 is 3. 3 divides 3, it gives 1. 1 7 ja 7. 1 divides 3, it gives 3. So 3 1 ja 3. So we get 2 upon 5 x is equal to 7 minus 3 upon 5. Yes? Any doubt? I hope it's clear. Now, so 2 upon 5 x is equal to 7 minus 3, 4. So 4 upon 3. Yes? Now, cross multiplication. Come on the fifth law. Cross multiplication. By cross multiplication, we get 3 multiplied with 2x. So 2x multiplied with 3. Like that. Okay? And 5 multiplied with 4. So we get 2x into 3 is equal to 5 into 4. So 2x into 3 is equal to 6x. Yes? 4 5 is 20. Now we will transpose 6 from left to right. So we get x is equal to 20 upon 6 by transposition law. Yes, 20 upon 6. So 20 and 6 both are divisible by 2. So we get 2 10 ja and 2 3 ja. So x is equal to 10 upon 3 is the solution. Like that you can check it also. Replace x by 10 upon 3. Okay. Second question is given that 2 plus x into 7 minus x upon 5 minus x into 4 plus x is equal to 1. Means 2 plus x into 7 minus x upon 5 minus x into 4 plus x is equal to 1. So multiply it. What we get? 2 4 7 ja 14 minus 2x. 2 multiplied by minus 2x. So 2x. Now 7 into x. 7x plus minus x into x square upon 5 4 ja 20. Now 5 into x plus 5x. So minus x into 4. Minus x into 4. So what we get? Minus 4x and minus x is equal to 1. Now 14 minus 2x plus 7x. So 14 minus 2x plus 7x means 7x minus 2x, that is plus 5x and minus x square upon 20. So yes, 20 is there. 5x minus 4x is x plus x minus x square is equal to 1. Should we may write 1 as 1 upon 1? So by cross multiplication we get 14 plus 5x minus x square, 1 multiplied here and this one multiplied here by cross multiplication. Yes, so what we get is equal to 20 plus x minus x square. Yes, so by transposition like transpose it, so we get 5x minus x square. Transpose x from right to left, so it will be minus x and minus x square become x square is equal to right hand side is 20 is there. Transpose 14 from left to right, so we get minus 14. Yes students, now x square and x square minus x square plus x square is cancelled, so 5x minus x, that is 4x is equal to 20 minus 14, that is 6. Yes, 6 na. Now x is equal to transpose 4 from left to right, so 4 is there multiplied, so it became divided. Yes, so 6 upon 4. Now both is divisible by 2, so 2 3 ja 6 and 2 2 ja 4 is equal to 3 upon 2. It means x is equal to 3 upon 2 is the solution of the equation 2 plus x into 7 minus x upon 5 minus x into 4 plus x is equal to 1. So what is the solution of this equation? 3 upon 2. Yes, 3 upon 2 is the solution. It's clear? Okay. Second question is there. 0.25 into 4f minus 3 is equal to 0.05 into 10f minus 9. Yes, we have to find the value of f because one variable is there, that is f. Yes, so 0.25 multiplied with 4, so what do we get? 0.25 into 4f minus, this is multiplied by here and again it will be multiplied by 3, so minus 3 into 0.25 and in right hand side 0.05 is multiplied in f and it will be multiplied with minus 9, so 0.05 into 10f minus 0.05 into 9. So what we get? 0.25 multiplied with 4. So 25 for ja 100. So we get 100 at 2 digit point. So we get 1f minus 0.75 multiplied, and here we get 0.5f minus 0.45 when we multiply it and find the 45 and we have to put the decimal point at 2 digits, so 1 and 2 digits. Yes, and here also we have to multiply. Yes, now 1.00 means f minus transpose it 0.5f is equal to minus 0.4f transpose 0.7 from left to right, so it became plus 0.75. So f minus 0.5f. F means 1f. Yes. So 1f minus 0.5, that is 0.5f minus, you can do 1.0, 0.5. So 5. Okay. Then we will minus it. So we get 0.5 is equal to 0.45 plus minus, here is minus 0.45 and 0.75, means we have to subtract 0.45 from 0.75. So subtract it. 5 minus 5 0, 7 minus 4 3. Yes, so 0.5 f is equal to 0.3. We have to find the value of f. So f is equal to 0.3 upon transpose 0.5 from left to right, so it will be divided upon 0.5. Yes, f is equal to point cancel, means decimal point will be cancelled because at a 1 digit, so we get 3 upon 5. 3 upon 5 means when 3 divided by 5 it gives 0.6 6. So what is the value of f? Value of f is 0.6. Yes. Addition 5x plus 3 upon 6. 5x plus 3 upon 6 plus 1 is equal to 6x minus 1 upon 3. Means 5x plus 3 upon 6 plus 1 is equal to 6x minus 1 upon 3. Yes. So we may write 5x plus 3 upon 6 plus 1 as 1 upon 1. Yes. Is equal to 6x minus 1 upon 3. Now we have to take the LCM of 6 and 1. So what we get? 6. 6 1 is 6 1. Means 5x plus 3 plus 6. 1 divided 6 into give 6. 6 multiplied by 1 is equal to 6x minus 1 upon 3. So 5x plus 3 plus 6 9 upon 6 is equal to 6 minus 1 upon 3. Okay student. Now by cross multiplication. By cross multiplication, when we get this type equation, so we have to be cross multiplied. So when we cross multiplied, we get 5x plus 9 multiplied by 3 and is equal to 6 multiplied by 6x minus 1. Yes. So 5 3 is 3 multiplied by here and 3 multiplied by here. So 3 5 is 15x plus 3 9 is 27 is equal to 6 6 is 36. 6 multiplied with 6x and again 6 multiplied with minus 1. 36x minus 6. Now by transposition law, we have to write variable in one side and constant in one side. So we get 15x minus 36x. Why minus 36x? When we will transpose it. So we get and minus 6 minus 27. Yes. So 15 minus 36. 15 minus 36x. So subtract it. We get minus 21x is equal to minus 6 and minus 27. So minus 6 minus 27 is minus 33. So minus minus is cancelled. Yes, cancelled. So x is equal to we get 33 upon 21. Yes. So it is reducible. Yes, it is reducible. So we can reduce it. 3. Yes, 3 divides 33, it gives 11. And when 21 divided by 3 is 7. So we get 11 upon 7 is the solution. 11 upon 7 is the solution.